Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to use the Euler's formula to find the number of vertices of a three-dimensional figure with 3 faces and 6 edges. So according to Euler's formula, the value of f plus v minus e is equal to a constant which is equals to, where f equals number of faces, v equals number of vertices, and e equals number of edges. Now in the question it has been given that the three-dimensional figure has 3 faces and 6 edges. Therefore, the value of f is 3. So 3 plus v minus number of edges, which is 6, will be equals 2. So 3 minus 6 will be equals minus of 3. Shift minus of 3 to the right hand side, so it will become plus 3. So v will be equals 2 plus 3. So number of vertices will be equals 5. Therefore, number of vertices equals 5. Upon checking the option, we see that option C will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.